Hello everyone, welcome to Lakshmi Chaya. If you are new to my channel, please click the subscribe button below and click the bell icon to get the notification of my new uploads. Today I am here with a simple, easy and instant breakfast recipe, that is Rava Idli or idlis using suji or semolina. So first here are the ingredients list. Now without much delay, let's get into the recipe. First heat up a pan, add around 2 spoons of oil in it and add the mustard seeds. Once they start spluttering, let's add some cumin seeds and around half teaspoon of urad dal and 1 teaspoon of chana dal. I like the chana dal to be little more in quantity. Just lightly mix it, and now let's add some curry leaves and 1 teaspoon of grated ginger. Okay, ginger really gives nice taste in this idli. Just roast it for around 30 seconds, and now let's add the rava. This is fine suji I have taken, that is fine variety of rava. Roast it for around 4 to 5 minutes nicely till the color starts to change. Then once it is roasted nicely, cool it for around 15 minutes. And once our rava is cooled now, let's add the required amount of salt to it. Okay, let's add the salt and give it a mix. Now let's add the other ingredients. That is 1 cup of thick curd we have to add here. Okay, that is for 2 cups of rava, I am adding 1 cup of thick curd. And to this, now we'll add 1 cup of water. Okay. Now mix everything well. And now here we have to rest this rava for around 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so that all the rava will absorb the water nicely. So now after 30 minutes, now we can see our rava has all absorbed the water. Now to get the perfect consistency of like idli batter, we have to add some more water here. Okay, since this is fine rava, it will take very less time to get absorb all the water. Here again I am adding around 1 cup of water to get the perfect idli batter consistency. Okay, once we are done with that, let's add around 1/4 teaspoon of soda into it, or you can use any fruit salt, that is Eno fruit salt also. Then mix it nicely. Okay, then once we have mixed it well, now let's get ready with the idli stand. I have just put some few drops of oil. It is brushing the stand with the oil, and let's pour the batter. Okay, after the adding the soda, we should not keep the batter for long. We should immediately put it in the idli mold and keep it for steaming. After pouring all the batter, just shake it or just tap it 1 or 2 times, and now it's ready to go into the steamer. Here I am using the pressure cooker for steaming. If you have a steamer, you can use that. Okay, my measurement yielded me around 16 idlis. Okay, now if you are using the pressure cooker, while covering it, we just have to add the gasket but no whistle. And now let's steam it for around 15 minutes on medium flame. Okay, now 15 minutes are done. So let's take out the lid. And yes, our idlis are done. Now let's take them out carefully. Okay, after taking the idlis out of the cooker or steamer, we have to rest it for around 2 to 3 minutes. And while demolding, always use a wet spoon to demold the idlis. maybe any idlis, if you use the wet spoon, the idlis will come out very smoothly. Okay, they have to rest for around just 2 minutes and take out with a wet spoon. See, our idlis are coming so nice. You can see the fluffiness. Yes, our instant rava idli or the semolina or suji idli are now ready to serve. You can enjoy this idli with any chutney of your choice. I hope you all like this video. Please do try and let me know how it turned out to you in the comment sections below. Please click the like button below and don't forget to share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. See you soon in the next video.